Tesla is failing everywhere, day after day. Elon Musk's recent involvement in political activities alongside Trump is becoming a big problem for Tesla. Tesla is now facing major setbacks in terms of declining sales, with the worst numbers in its history. People are bracing to reject Tesla vehicles. Anti-Tesla protests and criminal activities against Tesla are being reported in the media, which has led investors to worry about the money they have already invested in Tesla. That doesn't sound good for Tesla's future investments. So, is this the beginning of the major backlash for Tesla? Will Tesla ever be able to recover? In this video, we will dive into the details of Tesla's downfall, so stick around and subscribe for the latest updates. First, let's take a look at the impact on Tesla's sales. Tesla's sales have officially declined for the first time in its history, with a significant 13% drop in quarterly deliveries. The electric vehicle maker reported delivering 336,681 vehicles, a sharp decline from 386,810 in the same period last year, a drop of 50,000 units. This marks Tesla's worst sales performance in nearly 3 years. Now, investors and analysts are bracing for a fall in Tesla sales again this year. Gene Munster, who is managing partner at Deepwater Asset Management, described it saying, "This is our first look at the impact of recent brand damage, and it appears to be the primary driver behind this quarter's delivery decline. These growth rates will likely deteriorate further this quarter." This change signals a departure from the growth trajectory Tesla has been on for years. Despite Musk's promises of 20% to 30% growth in 2025, analysts are now predicting a further drop in sales, with some expecting a 9% reduction in deliveries. This shift raises serious concerns about the company's ability to maintain its dominant position in the electric vehicle market. For investors, these figures are unsettling as they suggest Tesla may not recover as quickly as hoped, especially with no clear solution to the political and competitive pressures it's facing. All this while, Tesla's brand is being battered by Elon Musk's political associations, sparking protests and damaging consumer sentiment. Tesla is facing a sales downturn, and much of the blame falls on Elon Musk's increasingly controversial political actions. Musk's outspoken support for former US President Donald Trump and right-wing politics in Europe has sparked widespread backlash. This has been especially problematic for Tesla in regions like Europe, where political affiliations can significantly impact consumer behavior. The backlash has manifested in protests and vandalism, with people targeting Tesla's showrooms, cars, and charging stations. This level of public unrest is not something Tesla has had to contend with before. It's now clear that Musk's political ties are influencing consumer choices, turning loyal customers away. For investors, the key concern is that this brand damage will have long-lasting effects on Tesla's image and, by extension, its sales growth. Meanwhile, Chinese EV manufacturers like BYD are gaining significant ground, threatening Tesla's dominance. While Tesla is struggling to maintain its sales, Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers like BYD are gaining significant traction in both European and American markets. These companies are offering affordable, feature-packed EVs that directly compete with Tesla's popular Model Y and Model 3. As competition intensifies, Tesla is feeling the pressure, particularly in Europe, where new entrants are undercutting Tesla's prices while offering similar or better features. With Chinese EV brands also expanding rapidly, Tesla's once unchallenged dominance is being tested like never before. Investors are starting to question whether Tesla will be able to maintain its competitive edge in this increasingly crowded market. The company's lack of new models to appeal to a wider audience is a growing concern, especially as more affordable alternatives flood the market. But Tesla has a plan to fight back. Let's discuss the cheaper model Musk has in the works. To counter the competition, Musk has hinted at launching a cheaper Tesla model, which has investors cautiously hopeful. However, there's growing skepticism about whether this will truly rejuvenate Tesla's fortunes. If the new car turns out to be a low-cost, stripped-down version of an existing model like the Model 3, it may not be enough to spark the level of interest needed to reverse the sales slump. For Tesla to succeed, the new model would need to offer more than just a lower price. It would need to be a significant innovation that appeals to a broader customer base. But with no clear timeline for release and no information about the vehicle's features or pricing, the uncertainty surrounding this move is making investors nervous. If Tesla fails to deliver a game-changing, affordable model, it could result in even deeper sales losses. However, Tesla's struggles aren't just limited to the competition. Europe is proving to be a challenge too. Tesla's sales are continuing to slide in key European markets, such as France, Sweden, and Denmark, where it has seen significant drops in market share. In France, Tesla's market share has shrunk from 2.55% to 1.63%, while its competitors, including Chinese brands, have gained ground. Sweden, in particular, saw a shocking 63.9% decline in Tesla sales, while other regions like Denmark saw a 65% decrease. This is particularly troubling because Europe has historically been a strong market for Tesla, but now it's becoming a battleground where the company is losing its edge. Tesla's aging lineup and the increasing affordability and variety of competing vehicles are contributing to the brand's loss of momentum in Europe. For investors, this represents a serious threat to Tesla's global market share and future revenue growth. With this decline in Europe, the brand's reputation is also taking a hit. The rise in vandalism and protests targeting Tesla's properties and vehicles is not just a nuisance, it's a direct hit to the company's reputation. Protests against Musk's political involvement have led to incidents of car burnings, spray painting of showrooms, and arson attacks. In countries like Italy, Sweden, and Germany, Tesla's showrooms and cars have been attacked by activists who are unhappy with Musk's political affiliations. These incidents have put Tesla in the crosshairs of public scrutiny and have damaged the company's image as a forward-thinking, progressive brand. For investors, the growing number of attacks suggests that Tesla may have a harder time maintaining its customer base, especially in regions where political activism is strong. The brand damage caused by these events could have long-term effects on Tesla's sales and stock performance, and Musk's increasingly divided focus is also causing concern for investors. As CEO of Tesla, Musk's primary responsibility is overseeing the company's growth and innovation. However, his active involvement in political affairs and other ventures like SpaceX and Neuralink has left many questioning whether he's spreading himself too thin. Musk's role as an advisor to the U.S. government, particularly in the Department of Government Efficiency, has drawn sharp criticism and is believed to be affecting his ability to steer Tesla through the challenges it faces. If Musk remains distracted by politics, Tesla could continue to flounder, leaving the company vulnerable to further market share erosion. For investors, this raises the question of whether Musk is the right leader to navigate Tesla through this turbulent period, or if his focus needs to be squarely on the company's future. With declining sales, mounting competition, and a tarnished brand image, Tesla faces an uphill battle to regain its market leadership. On the other side, Tesla is failing to deliver an innovative product that can capture the market's interest. If the political controversies continue to overshadow the brand and competitors keep eating into Tesla's market share, the company may face another tough year. For investors, the risk of continued sales declines looms large, making the coming months crucial for Tesla's survival and future growth. Do you think more investment in Tesla at this crucial stage will uplift the company? Or is it all about wasting the money? Let us know your take on this in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more deep analysis on our channel.